Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to introduce the basic features of Excel. The basic features of Excel. I'll assume that you have some basic knowledge really of Excel, but if you don't worry about it. So I have my Excel opened here, and I have to mention straight away that there are various versions of Excel. So if my interface looks a little bit different from yours, don't worry about it. The functionalities are pretty much the same. And I also have to mention that there are also other alternatives actually to Microsoft Excel. Alternatives to Microsoft Excel which are available out there. You can simply do a Google search. So in my Excel here, we get to see the basic features here. There's this window open, and straight away what we see is this large spreadsheet here made of small boxes which are called cells. As I click on them, you can see these are called cells here. And then on my left here, this section here, we see numbers 1, 2, 3 going down all the way. And on top there we can see the letters A, B, C, D all the way going up to whatever. Then we see here what we call the name box. This name box here currently showing F4, and what this shows is the cell address where my my active cell is, the selected cell, which is deduced by looking at or getting the column letter there, which is F, and the row number, which is row number 4. So this is a name box here. It shows where I am. As I click in different places, it changes. You see now it's 87. Then on the right here we see the formula bar. We see this formula bar here, and this is where we get to write our formulas. We get to write our formulas or edit those particular formulas. So that's the formula bar. We'll be talking about that in details. And then at the top here we see what is called the ribbon here, where you see these small pictures or icons, if you like. There are different menus here. We have home, insert, page layout, and so on and so forth. We'll be looking at some of these in details in our future tutorials, but for now I just want to introduce you to what you get to see when you open your Microsoft Excel or your spreadsheet program. And at the bottom here you get to see there's something that is written here called sheet 1, and there's a plus here next to it, and it says new sheet. So if I click on it, it means I can open a new sheet like that. So we'll get to see how you can work with the interface, how you can make changes to the interface as we go along. So I just wanted to introduce to you what you get to see when you open your Microsoft Excel. It's important to know that Microsoft Excel actually is used for so many things really. There's so many, for example, in preparation of budgets, could be monthly budgets, yearly budgets. The finance people may use it to enter transactions, monthly transactions, quarterly transactions, and they can use them to come up with, for example, various reports to show how maybe the company is performing. Or it can also be used by project managers really. So Microsoft Excel is really used in many things. It's not just for the finance people. Project managers can use it in planning their projects, the durations of a project, for example, how long a project will take, how long a particular task will take. And also those who just want to analyze data. For example, you gather data from a survey or a research, and then you want to analyze it and interpret it and show or represent it in graphic forms. So there's so many the uses of Excel are really limitless. So it's important that you get a firm understanding of Microsoft Excel, because in one way or another you will definitely need it.